Good morning to all. At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well by the mercy of Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am doing great. Today is Friday. I get up early in the morning. After complete, I brush my teeth. Then I drink up some water. Then I come to rooftop. Right now, I am walking on the rooftop. You look sun sitting right now. I feel very happy for this moment because winter time, morning time, very good for health, for sun, give us energy. My respectful audience, you look at village road. Besides have paddy field, already paddy cut completed. Exactly, there is a village road for very important for village people. This road here go to students, school, college, university. Also many people go market, shop for also go for any personal work issue. Also besides have many trees. Coconut trees, mango trees, also many trees, small and big trees. My respectful audience, I am practicing every day and regularly. Try to improve my English speaking skill, but not good. No problem, I am trying to every day. Also, you can try to practice every day. Some vocabulary, also practice from vocabulary, make many sentence. Sometimes we can practice tense. Also, any tips for English speaking skills. Thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.